Hello, what's good, guys? Welcome to another video. So in today's video I've got $10 and we'll just be raising it. So my type of trading is the low risk low reward type of trading, so we're not really risking much. Yeah, let's just double check what we can trade and we'll just see how far we can go with this one. So I'm on the daily time frame on volatility 251 second now. That right here is a trap, and I'll just explain what is happening here, because it is going up but then it has to go down first. So usually it pretends as if it's going to the upside, but first it will have to go down to take out all the people that bought on that blue shadow zone there. So at that level you can see it failed to break above that level, so meaning that it will have to go down first and then reach a certain point and then further push to the upside. So it won't just go up from there. And I've had a lot of confirmations on this one, so I'm certain sure that it will go down first before going up. So now we are on the daily. Let's just go to the H4, and on the H4 that's where I'll be using my trend lines. So first things first, I've spotted a head and shoulder pattern. I'll just mark it with that blue shadow zone there, and then we can now use our arrow. So the market will push to the downside there, not fully going down, but it will reach a certain level and before it goes to the upside. And another thing, I've spotted something amazing there. I've spotted a breakout and a retest. So let me just mark it for you guys there. That's a breakout and the market has retested. So as you can see, all the candlesticks, they've closed outside of the trend line, so indicating that the market has failed to go back inside. So now it will continue going down, and yeah, this is just a simple breakout retest. Let's just double check the minimum volume that we can use on volatility 250. So it is 0.005, so I can just go ahead and just sell the market at that level, at that price there, and then I'm just going to go with 3 positions. And it's going to drop. It has to, because it can't just go up from that point. It has to first go up. So first go down. So our target will just be down there at that level there, and then we'll just put our TP there. And then I'm pretty sure we're even going to close before it reaches that level, because we're just scalping. We're just trying to reach our daily target, and once we've reached the daily target, I think it will be fair of us to just close everything and then just withdraw our funds, because as I've explained, this is a low risk, low reward type of trading. So you don't really have to go full margin on everything. I mean, you have to leave some room for disappointment at times. So let's just hold and then just see what happens. So this is a nice setup there. And then after some hours, the market pushed down, and we are halfway through. We are halfway to the target. The market respected our analysis, even though it went up a little bit, but it eventually went down. So from $10, we now doubled the account. We now made 12.70 something profit there, which is a lot, because doubling an account is just amazing. So the market, so now we're running in $13 there. This is a nice win. The market really respected our analysis, so we'll just go ahead and just close this and then look for other trading opportunities elsewhere. So we finally closed at $22. So right here we are on volatility 10 1 second index. So you can already see from here that we have an M formation there, and indicating that the market will drop. But we can't rely on just seeing. We have to draw our trend lines to identify if what we are seeing is actually what is going to happen. So yeah, let's just draw our trend lines, and then yeah, let's just check first our minimum volume. We can use 0.5, which is the minimum volume that you can use to trade volatility 10 1 second. So I'm just going to put my sell. Let's just first calculate our risk there. Let's see. I think we are safe, so we're just going to risk everything here, and then just to see if the market will really respect our analysis, because volatility 10 1 second is very volatile. So let's just check our risk there. I've put one position, and then yeah, let's just see how this plays out, and then I'll just draw my trend lines while the position is running. And then yeah, from the past we've been on a uptrend, but I'm just going to go against the trend, because sometimes even though you're saying the market will buy, yes, it will buy, but first sometimes it sells before it buys. So you just need to leave some room for that. So let's just draw our trend lines, so making sure that they're touching the wicks of the candlesticks and not the body, so that we can be on the safe side. And then we've had our first touch at that level, and our second touch at that level. So whenever that we have a touch, the market gives us a move to the upside. And then yeah, let's just go to the upside. We had a touch there, and then we had another touch at that level, and then at that level there the market made a fake out, so pretended like it was going up but went back inside the trend line. So that we can call it a fake out, not a third touch. And then at that level where the market is, that's our third touch there. So I'm just going to adjust my TP to that level. Why that level? Because that's where our diagonal supporting trend line is. So when the market touches the diagonal supporting trend line, then it will stop pushing to the downside and start pushing to the upside. And also the M formation would have been completed by that time. So yeah, let's just see how that plays, and then yeah, we'll just see what happens. So the M formation, we all know what that is. If you've watched my previous videos, you would know that whenever we have such a setup, it always goes down to complete the M formation. So I'll just go ahead and just delete all this, and then keep things clean. And yeah, let's just see what the market has for us. And then after some time, the market gave us a major drop. As you can see there, we're just close to hitting our TP. So yeah, that's a nice win, even though the M formation is not complete. But yeah, I'm happy with what I've got. So we've made a profit of $9 from $22. We're now at an equity of $31. So yeah, I think I'll just close and then just to secure the profits. I mean, $31 is my daily target. So yeah, I'm really happy. Let's just close and then look for other trading opportunities elsewhere, so that at least when I withdraw my $30, we still have a little bit of something left for the next day. So yeah, man, yeah, that was a nice setup there. And yeah, let's just look for other trading opportunities elsewhere. So our 31.29 cent is still there, and then let's just see what we can trade here. So I've got volatility 25 index, which is one of my favorite indexes. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw my trend lines there, and then I'll copy it to the upside. And yeah, no rush. If you are watching, just pause the video there and then tell me, or just based on what you're seeing here, what are you going to do? Are you buying or are you selling, or what's happening? Just try and figure it out, and then we'll just dive deeper together while I explain what is going to happen here, because this is also one of the traps that happens in the market. Let me just adjust my trend line there. So this is a breakout retest, but if you haven't or hadn't drawn your trend lines nicely or accurately, you were going to buy, which you would have lost a lot of money. And yeah, I'm going to sell here, and based on my reasons for the breakout retest, I'm just going to sell the market, and then I'm going to aim higher on this one. Let's just go down to that level there. Why that level there? Because mostly what the market does, you see it to the left, we had like a bullish flag there, so it would want to go down, back down to that level, to take out all of the people that bought on that level and are still holding even now, so before it goes to the upside. So at that level there, we had so many rejections, and at that level, that's where we had the retest, and the market failed to go back inside the trend line. So yeah, one of the reasons why I'm selling. So yeah, let's just sell and then see what the market has in store for us. So guys, I left this trade running overnight, and in the morning when I woke up, this is what I woke up to. So yeah, the market went down. It respected our analysis. It's still even going to push down, but because we are just scalping here just to make ends meet, I'm just going to close. So each position managed to make $7, and we are at an equity of $46 from 31 cents. I mean from $31. So yeah, this is a major win for me. We started off with just $10, and now we are running in $14 profit. So it's safe to just say, let's just close and see what other opportunities in other markets we have. So yeah, let's just secure our profits before the market reverses, because at that level it's just playing around there. Why is it playing around there? Because there's a level of support there, and that's why it's playing around. So let's just secure our profits, and then yeah man, we've closed at $44.47 there, and this is a major move. So as you can see there's major levels of confluence at that level. When the market touched there, it always gave us a move to the upside, so we wouldn't want to be watching our money going up and down. So let's just look for other trading opportunities elsewhere. And right here we've got volatility 75 1 second. So let's just mark our trend lines there, making sure that they are touching the wicks of the candlesticks so that we can be more accurate. So yeah, I haven't traded volatility 75 in a very long time, because it hasn't given me what I wanted for the past months. So yeah, I'm just double checking if is there something that we can find this time around from this market here. So I've marked my areas of confluence, which is my resistance levels and my supporting levels. So with that rejection that we have there on the diagonal resisting trend line, I'm sure the market will sell. So I'm just going to put 2 positions there, with my TP being at the supporting level there. I'm just waiting for a nice retest before the market pushes to the upside. So yeah, this is the H4 time frame. I'm just making sure that everything is accurate. So yeah, I've had that rejection which touched that diagonal resisting trend line, and it has also went up to that resistance level there. So with that, I'm sure that the market will not break that level. It will push back inside the trend line, giving us a nice sell. So at the moment, the market is just playing around there, and it's 8 in the morning, and then I'm just waiting for the next 1 hour candlestick to open on at around 9 a.m. And then after some hours, the market went all the way up, going against our direction. We are in a loss of $10. So yeah, I was just hoping for it to go down from that point where we put our order, but it went all the way up. So it's best to just close at this point and then just to secure our profit, because either way we've reached our daily target, which is $30, which I'm happy for. So let's just close. We've closed at $34. It looks like it will go down, but yeah, I've just closed, and we'll just call it a day and then just secure our profit. So yeah, so right now I'm just going to withdraw $20 and then leave the rest for another video. So if you have made it this far, thank you very much. I'll see you guys on the next video.